So hey guys, I'm not even gonna act like I haven't made a video in 3 months. I'm just gonna own it and do my little video of shame. Walk of shame, get it, but no, it's fine. So yes, I have not made a video in a minute, but you know, it's the same old excuses. I'm a video editor, so after editing for work, it's hard to edit my own videos. Plus, I just wasn't doing much for like my vlogs. So, but anyways, I am back. Hello, I have missed you guys. Welcome back to another Christine vlog. So today's vlog is exciting because it's actually one of my bucket list items. I have always wanted to go to Washington State and see their forest because I feel like, I don't know, the forest in Washington always just seem like really big and green and like you can breathe. As someone from the South, which it's pretty flat, and now in California, Los Angeles to be exact, where there's just smog and like city life. I'm in K-Town, so it's just really city, a lot of concrete. I just really wanted to escape to Washington and experience that. Well, my college bestie actually used to live in Washington, and they know everything there is to know about camping. So we went camping, and this is my first time ever camping too, so this vlog is about that experience and just being in Washington for the first time. But before we get into the vlog, since it's been so long, I do have some things I want you guys to look out for and check out. If you have not streamed or listened to Cajon Cutie yet, you should. It is on every platform, everywhere. It's a song I made about a boy that is a part of a EP that I'm currently working on. I will let you know when it's done, but for now you can listen to Cajon Cutie. And lastly, keep your eyes peeled because there should be some commercials with me in them coming soon. And I just think it's funny when people send me my commercials to me and like, is that you? And then I'm like, yeah. There should be at least 2 spots out soon. I don't know when. I haven't seen them yet, so you let me know when you see it. But let's get this vlog started. This is my first time going to Washington State, visiting Seattle, and my first time camping. I hope you enjoy.
Yes, blackberries. So like I ate a blackberry from the wild. Who am I?
Only organic.
I'm like camping. Good morning from Washington. It's day 2 and we're gonna have a nice little touristy day. I'm gonna see the Space Needle. I think we're going to Pike Farmers Market, some kind of market that's gonna be really cute, and then maybe the Glass Museum and Pop Culture Museum. So I'm really excited already. I love Washington because look at these trees. They don't have trees like that in Southern California. I was gonna say in California, but in Los Angeles I don't see trees like this. So it's so nice. Eee! Okay, trying your first dolma. Yes. What kind of food is this? Open. It's like Greek. There's no olives in it though. I would hope so. Well, I guess the big one. Cheers. That's good. My favorite. Are you ready for this next room? Yeah. Brace yourself because I'm not. Look at it. I know.
To shape and cool the glass. Now that we've evened out the shape, we're going to expand the glass a little bit more. Not all the way though. If the glass gets too thin too soon, it'll become pretty difficult to actually make something.
Come, it's so fun.
To you!
Space Needle. Wow, look at that. Space Needle.
I'm we're floating through the sky.
Hey. I mean,
Oh yeah.
we learned.
We're floating.
We learned I'm not afraid of heights. But somebody.
We don't need to talk about it.
It's so cool. On top of the world. Good morning. We are on a ferry ride going to
The Olympic National Forest.
Olympic National Forest. It's camping time. That's the ocean or a lake.
I think it's part of the ocean. The Olympic is a peninsula, so it like shoots out.
We did it. We are here about to camp. We're gonna make a tent. All the camping things. Camping.
Bella! Where the hell have you been, loco?
Look at her go. So we're currently chilling at La Push. The beach is Twilight.
360 degrees of wood.
We were surrounded by wood and wood only.
It says you can outrun me!
Hello from the wood. We are camping in the wood. The wood. We're exploring. We thought we found a trail. It wasn't one. So now we are just climbing, doing things. And it's so pretty. Look at that. Amazing.
Amazing.
We're in the wood. We need to use the restroom. It's dark. We're talking like Love Island people. Here's my face. As you can see, it's really dark. I'm in a British accent. It's not good, you know, as an actor. I really need to work on that. But we have to pee. And now this light is too close to my face. But anyway, camping. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ah. Good morning. It's day 2 of camping and hiking. We woke up early. We're gonna do some trails, gonna get some steps in, and look at the pretty view. This vlog is popping. Making my way down the mountain. The girl is tired. I tripped a little bit, but I didn't die. Would recommend, but definitely need hiking boots and those little stick things because my knees are killing me. But we hiked to the top, and now we're going back down. But these bugs need to chill because, like, what?
As you can see, I had such a great time in Washington. I honestly think I might have a vacation house there for when I'm famous and rich. But I honestly could see myself living there at some point, or at least going there again multiple times, because I absolutely loved it. Going to Washington was really special to me just because it had been a bucket list item for like the longest. And now, especially after pandemic, where your own mortality was thought about a lot, I'm like, I'm 26. Why not start my bucket list now? You know, like I always write things and I'm like, oh yeah, that's gonna be when I have money, when I have my life together. And I'm like, it's semi together and I semi have money. Not really, I need to work more. But why not start my bucket list now? So the next few vlogs hopefully should be bucket list item things. I'll point out the ones that are bucket list items, but this one started it off, and I'm hoping next year to have some more travel stories for you. I'm not gonna leak places yet, but there's 3 places I'm trying to go next year, so we'll see how money and fate allows, but I'm excited for that. So thank you so much for watching this video, especially those who have been with me from the beginning, and you know I'm inconsistent. Thank you, I appreciate it. I'm gonna try to be more consistent now that I have, you know, some content and some things coming out. But yeah, thank you so much again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. And again, if you haven't checked out Go Home Cutie yet, please go to your favorite streaming sites and listen to my song. And if you need a word of encouragement, go out and do it. Do something on your bucket list. It's really exciting and really fun. I love Washington, and yeah, go live your life to the fullest. Love you guys. Bye.